What if AI created real value? For your business, for your people, for you. What if you were truly empowered to cut your lead times in half? Empowered to prepare twice as many quotes with the same resources? Empowered to enter new markets at 1/3 the cost? Epicor Prism is made with and for makers, movers, and sellers, and it is making business better for Madsen Custom Cabinets, who says, "We're excited for Epicor Prism to help take off the load of mundane tasks so our staff can focus on the stuff that's producing value." What can Epicor Prism do for you? Take a look. The user asks Epicor Prism, "Get me a list of RMAs." Instantly, Epicor Prism processes the request and displays an interactive grid of open return merchandise authorizations. The user can easily sort, filter, and interact with the data directly from the grid view. The user spots a metric on the screen and asks Epicor Prism, "What % of receipts are late?" Epicor Prism instantly interprets the data and provides a clear response, giving the percentage directly in the chat. Rather than creating a new metric or pulling out a calculator, users can simply ask a question and get the answer immediately. In a world powered by Epicor Prism, every day is efficient. Every day is full of opportunity. Every day is easier with Epicor.